In this tutorial you will learn how to fix the Marvel Rivals error, failed to initialize Steam. First, click on Steam and select Exit. Open your Start menu and type Task Manager. Open Task Manager. Locate the Steam 32-bit service, right-click it and select End Task. If you find other Steam services, close them as well. Now close Task Manager. Open the Start menu again. Type Steam, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes when prompted. Finally, launch Marvel Rivals. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.